Why does your scanner show the P1362 engine code? What does it mean? P1362 is a diagnostic trouble code for top dead center sensor 1, no signal. It indicates a fault with the top dead center sensor 1, which functions to determine ignition timing at startup and when crank angle is abnormal. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty top dead center sensor. Damaged sensor wiring. Loose sensor connection. Faulty engine control module. Crankshaft position sensor issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Acura, Buick, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.